Good morning, good day. Now we will have a reflection video about the two websites. Each speech notes that your speech will convert to text and the TTS reader, meaning your text will convert into speech. Okay, discover how speech notes and TTS readers transform communication through speech to text and text to speech technologies. These complementary tools enhance productivity and accessibility in workplaces and educational environments. Without further ado, let's start. By the way, I'm Engineer Russell Dino Alba. Okay, paano ba gumagana yung speech notes? Okay, number one, you must input your voice. Then the website captures speech through your device microphone. Then it will save, no? Cloud processing processes audio using Google's recognition engine. Then, smart formatting adds punctuation and formatting automatically. Then, the output. Your speech will convert to text. Delivers accurate transcription in real time. Okay, let's go to the speech notes. Just type to your Google search engine, speech to text. Then click the first one. You will go to the website speechnotes.co. Then click the start dictating. Okay, here we will try to set our example. Press the mic. Then try something. Hello. Hi. Thanks. Thank you. Then now that's how it works, the speech notes. Everything you say will display in the text, in the notepad GUI of the speechnote.co. It's so simple. Madali lang yon. Ito lang, ano. Pwede kayo magbasa. For example, let's press enter. Good luck to your exam. Okay, hindi ka na mahirapan mag-type. Basahin mo lang yung ano mo, nasa notebook mo. Then, matatranscribe siya automatically. Okay, ganun lang kadali. Then, paano naman gumagana yung TTS reader? Ito naman, kino-convert niya yung text sa speech. Okay, number one, text input. Accepts written content from various sources. Ibig sabihin, magka-copy-paste ka lang ng text, kunwari sa journal mo or sa mga reviewer mo, then mako-convert siya sa text. Then, audio output delivers natural sounding speech through speakers. After that, AI processing. Analyzes text using natural language processing. Dito kasi pwede kang mamili kung ano yung gusto mong language or kung anong language na pwede mong piliin. Then, voice selection. Customizes speech with different voices and rates. Kasi doon sa website ng TTS Reader, meron siyang voice selection. Pwede kang mag-select ng girl, ng boy, ng man. Okay, depende na lang sa'yo. Okay, let's go to the... Just type again, TTS Reader in your search engine. Yan, pupunta tayo dito. Then start text player. Okay, I already type happy birthday. and good luck. Just type that, then press play.
Happy birthday and good luck.
Okay? Here in set narration language or voice and speed, you can select any voice properties. Okay? Pwede pakinggan mo muna.
Hi, I am Aria at speed 0.95.
Okay? Pwedeng babae. Then play natin.
Happy birthday and good luck.
Okay. Try natin ng iba. Try natin ng Andrew.
Happy birthday and good luck.
Okay, ganun lang kadali. Pwede ka mag-copy-paste ng mahaba. I-copy-paste mo lang dito. Then, dito lang, meron siyang use 168 or 5,000 free character per day. Okay, pwede dito. Ganun lang kadali. Okay, ganun lang gumagana yung text to speech. Okay, kanina, nag-speech tayo, then kino-convert niya sa text. Ngayon naman, nagte-text tayo, kino-convert niya sa speech. Okay, ano bang benefits dito? Unahin natin yung speech notes. Yung speech natin, kino-convert niya sa text. Okay, number one, faster documentation. Okay, capture meeting notes, ideas, and discussion in real time. Reduce typing time by up to 70%. Okay, ibig sabihin, pag ikaw ang secretary, for example, hindi mo na kailangan mag-type. Okay, just press the record button sa website ng speech notes, then mare-record na siya. Okay, napaka-convenient. Then, accessibility. Support employees with mobility limitation. Enable hands-free content creation across devices. Okay, ibig sabihin, pag na-save mo, pwedeng ipasa mo na sa ibang coworker mo or sa mga estudyante. Yan, kasi madali lang siya ma-access. Then, client engagement. Record and transcribe client's call instantly. Create searchable archives of important conversation. Okay, ibig sabihin pag after na record mo, pwede ka na doon ka na mag-take down notes or ma-save mo or ma-import mo yung important conversation. Then content creation, drop emails kasi habang pinapakinggan mo yung meeting nyo, pwede ka na maggawa doon ng minutes of meeting para ma-drop mo yung emails, reports, and proposal by speaking. Edit and refine text afterwards for precision. Okay, napaka ganda gamitin yung speech notes. Then, educational application of TTS Reader. TTS Reader provides essential support for students with dyslexia or visual impairments. Ibig sabihin, kasi pwede mo siyang i-type doon din, papakinggan niya. The audio format make dense text accessible. Okay, syempre, pag malabo yung mata mo, pwede mong ipa-type or ayan no, para mapakinggan mo lang. Student can process information through listening while following along with written text, reinforcing comprehension. Okay, ito napaka ano, sa education, napaka useful nito. Kasi lahat ng gusto mong i-review, pag tinatamad kang magbasa, i-type mo lang dito, lalo na yung mga formula, paulit-ulit, di ba? Pwede mong ma-memorize. The tool allows adjustment of reading speed to match individual learning preferences and comprehension needs. Okay, kasi pwede mo siya ma-adjust do sa TTS Reader. Okay, napakaganda ng tools na to. Okay, sa business value, ito nga yung speech, no? 3 times faster documentation. Okay, speed increase compared to typing. Okay, 3 times mas mabilis siya kaysa mag-type ka. Okay? Pag binigyan ka nung, kunwari, binigyan ka ng boss mo ng ano, report, then ita-type mo sa Word. Pwede kang gumamit ito, basahin mo na lang, then siya nang bahalang mag-type sa Word. Kasi ika-copy-paste mo lang. Then, 40% cost reduction, savings versus traditional transcription. Okay? Kasi mabilis to, sobra. Kaya kaya mo mapapabilis to ng 40%. Then 24% increase, productivity boost, overall efficiency improvement. Okay, basta malinaw yung pagsasalita mo, napaka-efficient tong gamitin, itong speech notes. Then 99% accuracy rate with minimal training. Basta mag-train ka lang. Actually, ito yung ginagamit nila sa iba, lalo na sa call center. Kasi pwede nilang i-save na to, no? Kasi kaysa naman basahin nila paulit-ulit, yan, isang basa lang, then pwede na nilang i-save. 99% accuracy rate. Napakaganda. Then, business value ng TTS Reader kanina, business value ng speech notes. Ngayon naman yung business value ng TTS Reader. Okay, enhance accessibility. Okay, reaches audiences with diverse needs. Okay, ano to, na-access to kaagad ng mga student, mga businessman, mga teacher, lalo yung mga PWD. Mas magandang magamit nila tong TTS Reader. Improve user experience, offers content in preferred format. Kasi ito user-friendly, no? Kaya madali nyo lang siyang magamit kahit mga high school, kahit mga grade school lang. Kayang-kaya nila to kasi madali lang, meron siyang sa website, meron siyang instruction kung paano gamitin. Okay? Then operational efficiency reduces audio content production cost. Okay? Hindi mo na kailangan ng marami pang dito, yung sa audio. Basta ang kailangan mo lang mic or keyboard, then i-type mo lang, then mapapakinggan mo ng maayos. Yun na. Pwede na natin gamitin. Then regulatory compliance meet accessibility requirements. Okay. Madali lang ma-meet yung requirements ng TTS Reader. Kahit sinong individual, free naman siya. Mag-login ka lang. Any Gmail na account ang pwede mong gamitin. Yon, pwede ka na mag-access ng TTS Reader and speech notes. Yan yung dalawang yan. Then sa conclusion, talagang tinatransform niya, transforming communication. Okay? Bakit? Kasi napakadali nito, napaka-convenient gamitin. Basta kaya mo lang explore yung tools. Try both technologies in your workflow. Try natin gamitin. Then integrate seamlessly, combine with existing system. Okay, pwede mo siya integrate. Kung ano yung nakasanayan mo siyang gamitin, pwede mo siya integrate doon. Lalo na yung mga transcriptionist. Okay, malaking tulong sa kanila to. Then boost productivity. Transform how you work and learn. Okay, dito kasi nasasanay ka magbasa, then mag-type ka lang, copy-paste lang, then ma-explore mo na siya kaagad. Okay, thank you very much. Ito lang yung masasabi ko sa TTS Reader and Speech Notes. Okay, sabi nga, speech notes, kino-convert niya yung speech nyo sa text. Ang TTS Reader, kino-convert niya yung text sa speech. Okay, yun ang difference nilang dalawa. Kaya napakaganda. Okay, maraming salamat. Thank you very much sa inyong pakikinig. Sana magamit natin to sa ating lalo na pag educator tayo. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you, thank you.